Okay, hello everybody. I'm going to do a quick unboxing video of a reusable, cleanable face mask that I backed on Kickstarter. I think it's AUSAIR. They're from Australia. So let me open it up here so you can see what I got. Oh. Here's their website. These are like filters, different types. That's interesting. So it's from New South Wales, Australia. Interesting. So just the type. Here's a blank filter. Another blank filter. So let's get into the mask itself. Nice packaging. So here's your, you can put your mask in here. Copper infused fabric. That is from Sydney, Australia. So hopefully you can see the instructions. How to put the mask together. Put it on your face. Here's how to put the mask together. So you have the option to block the exhalation valves, offering greater protection to others. Huh. Interesting. So here's the mask itself. So you should be able to clean this mask and reuse it. I'm sure there's some instructions here on how to clean the mask. Oh, let's see here. So they're saying you can wash it like clothing and replace filters, which last up to 4 weeks. So it has a hidden aluminum nose clip, 2 stainless steel air valves, washable, active carbon, and then the filtration layers and the memory foam. Interesting. Interesting. So there's the block. Those block that you're breathing out. So So let me get one of the filters. I think it'll make more sense if I had a filter. So let's get one of the coastal tea tree filters. So this is the filter that you replace every couple weeks. Okay. It's supposed to click in there. I just must be doing something wrong. It's my first time, so. Okay, there it goes. I know it's kind of hard to see. I tried to increase my lighting. Kind of see what I did there. Let's show you it again here. So it'll poke through the reusable part and it basically snaps on. You probably didn't hear that. Does it clip on there too? Yeah. Guess you should have read the instructions better. The design seems pretty cool idea. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing there. So there's where your aluminum clip is there. It's right there. And the disposable part of the mask. So that looks like that's ready to go. So there's different types of disposable filter parts. So you can get just a, you get different types, like a blank filter, or you can get ones with different herbs and scents in them. So the ones I got, the oil is supposed to be well known for its potent antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, adding a powerful layer of protection between you and the unwanted contaminants. Interesting. Don't know how well that's backed up. And it's effective up to 28 days after you open the packet. So basically about a month. 4 weeks, a month. And then you just dispose of the inner liner and put a new one in, and then you can wash the outer part in the washer. And then if you want added protection, like they said, you can take these little and pop them in here, and that will, I'm not sure how well that's going to work when you're trying to breathe, but it's supposed to decrease people being exposed to your breath. So that's basically the instructions there, how to put it together. And then optional block exhalation valves. Like I said, I'm not sure how well those are going to work when you're trying to breathe. But this should give you better protection than just a cloth mask. That's the whole point. Like I said, it's a Kickstarter. I'll put a link in the video description to the company. These are pretty cool. Pretty cool idea in a mask. I'll try them out here. And cool. Thanks for watching the video. Okay, so I wanted to do a quick video of the mask on, as you can see. So this is kind of a follow-up or add-on to the video. It's a tight fit, and my glasses kind of sort of work with it. You just got to play with the nose bridge and form it to your nose, kind of play with it. I don't know if it's really, the mask is really designed for people with glasses or not. As you can see, it's kind of, glasses and the mask are kind of interfering with each other. But you can also smell the coastal green tea when you breathe in. So, interesting idea. Maybe not designed with people with glasses, but it does seem to fit better than a surgical mask does. And then, like I said, you can clean it and place the inside filters. So, okay. Now I'm done. Thanks for watching.